Nĩ gĩikaro kĩa mwanya kĩrĩa kĩrathiĩ na mbere mwena wa Naivasha kũrĩa Minista wa Gĩthomo Julius Ogamba ekorire marũrũ-inĩ ma mbunge makĩenda kũmenya gĩtũmi gĩa sekta ya gĩthomo kũgũmĩrwo nĩ mathĩna kĩondorita.
Because why would a school with 100 students have 28 teachers and the school next door has 600 students without teachers and you have a county director of education in that sub-county?
Thina umwe uria ambunge makwendaga kwĩhokionia kĩaguo nĩ ũtiganu mĩrĩhĩre-inĩ ya bithi kuma thukuru ũmwe nginya ũrĩa ũngĩ na gĩtũmi kĩa arutwo a grade 7 kũrĩhio mbeca makĩria ma grade 6 na marĩo thukuru ũmwe.
Speaker, who is going to give us a solution to school fees? If the ministry gives 22,244 shillings, parents are paying fees, we are giving bursaries, and every fortnight, every 2 weeks, students are in the market being sent home. Who has the spine to deal with these officers who cannot ensure that government policies are followed?
Mũtongoria wa AINGI mbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri KIMANI ICHUNGWA nĩ orotete andĩki a AKARU ministry-inĩ ya gĩthomo akiuga gũtirĩ ũmenyo menaguo wa sekta ĩno na wĩra wao no gũthiũrũrũka Nairobi.
Yourself and your peers, you have the most clueless peers in the Ministry of Education. Most clueless. He only sits in Nairobi and has no idea what goes on the ground. Get out of your offices in Nairobi, go to the ground, deal with the problems there. Then challenge this house, then to get the 48 billion shillings for you from the budget, and we'll deal with the problem once and for all. Otherwise, what we are doing here now is dancing around issues.
ICHUNGWA aroiga uniformu-inĩ na ndethiki-inĩ nĩkuo ungumani ũkĩrĩire mathukuru-inĩ akĩenda ministry ya gĩthomo kũgĩa na andũ a gũthũrimaga mathukuru wĩra ũrĩa methambire na kũũtigĩra ambunge.
The desks are lumped up in a store somewhere. You give those teachers money for maintenance. They don't use that money and nobody takes note of it. You do not have school inspectors who are doing anything on the ground. It is these members of parliament who have become school inspectors, and you should not subject members of parliament to become school inspectors.
Oho ministry nĩ ũrĩtio gũka na njĩra njega cia ũrĩa kĩgĩna gĩa capitation na basarĩ kĩbatie kũhũthĩkaga nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra ti gĩa gwĩteithia na gakundi kanini.
How do you normally allocate the infrastructural funds in the constituencies? Because we, the members of parliament, know that the disparities, the shortages in the schools.
The capitation that we release is based on the data that we receive from the schools, and there's no discrepancy between the number of the students that we are sending textbooks to that of capitation. The number is aligned because we receive that from the schools.
If you manage to centralize and harmonize the disbursement of funds, I assure you, you can easily pay for every education of every child in this country without looking for money elsewhere.
Mathukuru magĩkora HACEKE kumana na kĩgĩna kĩa remedio kĩrĩa makoretwo makĩingatĩra ciana ndeto ĩrĩa ĩrarakĩire ambunge makĩenda ministry kũheana ũtheri wakĩo.
To the parent, you tell them education is free and they start asking you, how is it free? Other than the activity money, and they are charging per head. Then ask 100 for exam and other monies.
The extra levies, opening of shops in schools to sell things like uniforms to parents. That's what we've said. It is in the policy and we're going to ensure that it is enforced. Issues of remedial fees that we've discussed.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.
Is now we have